Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curve. So today I am doing again a versus series where I'm comparing two lipsticks, my favorite lipsticks. So let's get started. Don't you know that you're beautiful just the way you are, just the way you came? So today I am going to review two of my most favorite lip shades. Okay, the color is almost similar to each other, and this is first one is Maybelline Super Stay One. So this one, and the second one is Revlon Matte. Okay, the HD Ultra Matte. Now this is in the shade Revlon one is in the shade Devotion Development. Okay, whereas the Maybelline one, the shade is Lover 15 number. Okay, both of these, now if you see the price wise, now they both are into discount, but when I got it, Maybelline one was under 700 range or something. Now it is 500 on Nykaa, whereas this one, the HD Revlon one, was 1100 rupees, and now it's up to 800 or 850 something, 8 to 900 even now it is. And both of these are super stay. Okay, they both are super stay, but let's review both of them now. Which is better, we'll come to know. Now the first thing is, they both are very matte. Okay, but if you see, when you apply the Revlon one, it looks very much glossy when you apply it as compared to the Maybelline one. Maybelline one also looks glossy when you apply, but this looks more, and it takes more time to dry it off, whereas Maybelline one, it dries off very quickly. Okay, and the fragrance, if you see, I love the fragrance of Maybelline one. That's really very nice, very juicy. I don't know, but it is very, very good. I cannot describe it, but it's really very nice. Whereas the Maybelline one, it doesn't have any fragrance. The Revlon one has a very pleasant, chocolatey, juicy kind of mix of, fragrances. I really love it. Now if you see, both tends to become little gummy when you apply. You can't, if you just press your lips together, if you bring it this way, you will feel that gumminess. Oh, I am wearing now the Revlon one. Okay, I'll show you both the swatches, and later when it gets dry, the Revlon one doesn't get totally dry. It is a lipstick which can last only for 6 to 7 hours, whereas the Maybelline one will last for like a whole day. Even if they claim that it will last super stay, and yes, it is super stay, it lasts for a very, very long time. Now the both of these are not so much transferable. Like they Maybelline one doesn't transfer at all. Like 1% it can be when you go for a dark shade, but whereas the Revlon one, it also doesn't transfers. Like it will just last for 6 hours, not more than that. So maybe after that, some chances are there that you stain your white shirts and all. But the Maybelline one, they transfer only if you are picking up darker shades. Like I have darker shades also, the burgundy dark color also with me, and sometimes it becomes transferable, whereas these light shades, if I use this one, the Lover one, this will not transfer at all. Okay, now if I talk about pigmentation, both are very good pigmented colors. Okay, if you go for more darker colors, you just need one application, you don't need to retouch it at all, and both of them are really very good. Whereas in the Revlon one, maybe there are chances that you can give a retouch, like you can apply 2 coats, whereas in the Maybelline one, I don't think so they need any. Okay, now if you see the application kind, both the applicators are very similar to each other, but the thing is that in the Revlon one, this is very spongy, kind of very soft to your lips, whereas at the same time, if you open the Maybelline one, the matte ink, now this has a small loop kind of thing. Okay, so it is also sponge, but it has a loop kind of thing and this pokiness, which really helps to apply very neatly onto your lips. Okay, and so the pointed tip which it has, so Maybelline one is very good even if you don't use a pencil. Okay, the liner, still you can apply it very neatly with the Maybelline one and not the Revlon one. And now comes after you have applied, you have throughout the day, you're okay with it. After that, whenever you remove these lipsticks, though they as they say, they are super stay as well as they get matte, so it's very difficult to remove. Now the super stay one, the Maybelline one, is really very very difficult to remove. It tends to make your lips little dry. Okay, and even when you apply it, you need to first scrub your lips, very important, and apply a lip balm for at least 15 minutes and then remove it off so that it moisturizes your lips, because it tends to make your lips more dry. Sometimes it's really very difficult to remove the darker pigments. Okay, you really have to use micellar water, or else you have to use oil. It's not like a makeup remover, the normal makeup remover which you have, they will not remove it. You have to use 3 to 4 cotton pads for the Maybelline one, whereas for the Revlon one, it's easy to remove. It's as compared to that, it's very easy to remove. Even I have darker shades like red and all, those are also very easy to remove. It doesn't remain, whereas the Maybelline one, it remains onto, the stains remain onto your lips. Okay, and you will find it difficult like in one do, because how many times will you just scratch and rub your lips? Okay, that's really never not good. So you will take a while to remove it off completely. If you see affordability and availability wise, both are available in stores as well as on online, but affordability, I would prefer to go for the Maybelline one because it is staying longer as compared to the Revlon one, and something in 500 which is staying longer during marriages and parties and all. Mostly I go for the Maybelline one. Then they are in 500 you get a lipstick in so many colors, and the application is really very neat. But the only thing is that it is very difficult to remove from your lips, and it you can't apply it on daily basis. You have to skip 2 or 3 days in between, so that it your lips doesn't get dry or doesn't get very itchy. Okay, so that's really very important. Whereas the Revlon one, though they are high price, but at the same time they keep your lips little bit like 2 to 3% more moisturized during the whole day. They are matte, but they are not completely matte. You can feel that creaminess, like 1% of that creaminess, and it only stays for 6 to 7 hours, not more than that. Later you will feel that the color is fading off. Okay, and transferable also, they are not very transferable, but yes, they do transfer very very little. And that too, if you go for both the cases, if you go for any pigmented, dark pigmented colors. Now this versus, I would end it by calling off the winner, and I feel the winner is the Maybelline one. Though I have to take care of my lips later when I remove it off, but still I find it very very nice in this series because they're really very affordable, plus it remains onto your lips for a longer period of time, so that's really important. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the button like, and stay connected for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.